In this video, I'll show you how to confirm payment on PayPal goods and services. PayPal goods and services is a reliable way to make purchases online while keeping your money protected. Unlike sending money to friends and family, which offers no buyer protection, paying through goods and services ensures that you have a safety net. If the item you buy doesn't arrive, is damaged, or doesn't match the description, you can file a claim with PayPal to request a refund. This added layer of security makes it a preferred option when dealing with sellers you don't know personally. To confirm a payment, first open your PayPal app and tap on Send Money. Then, select the person or business you want to pay. Enter the total amount for your purchase carefully, double-checking that it's correct, and tap Next. On the next screen, you'll be asked to choose between friends and family or goods and services. Always select goods and services for purchases so that your payment is fully protected. PayPal will show a note explaining that you can get a full refund if the item is lost, damaged, or doesn't match the description, giving you peace of mind while completing the transaction. After selecting goods and services, review all the details of your payment, including the recipient and the amount, and then confirm the transaction. Once your payment is processed, you'll see a confirmation screen in the app showing that the transaction went through successfully and that it is protected under goods and services. This ensures that your purchase is traceable and eligible for PayPal's buyer protection if any issues arise. If the goods and services option doesn't appear on your mobile app, you can also use a desktop browser to make the payment. The process is the same, and sometimes it's easier to see all the options and confirm the details before sending money. Since PayPal involves sensitive financial information and online transactions, it's important to keep your activity secure, especially on public or shared networks. For extra privacy and protection when making online payments, use the link in the description to try NordVPN, risk-free, at a great price.